Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add friends on Spotify Premium. All right, let's begin. First, open Chrome and search for Spotify Premium. Click the first link that appears. On the page, click on View All Plans. To add friends to your premium account, you need to choose either the Duo plan or the Family plan. The Duo plan is for 2 people who live at the same address. The Family plan is for more than 2 users, all living at the same place. Pick the one that fits your needs. Next, proceed to payment. Choose your preferred payment method and complete the transaction. Once that's done, Spotify will prompt you to invite other accounts. Simply enter the email addresses of the friends or family members you want to add. They'll receive an invitation to join your premium plan. Once they accept and confirm their address, they'll be added to your account. So that's basically how you can add friends on Spotify Premium. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.